Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And this might actually be the most funny video on this channel, because basically this is not what the channel is all about. But then I feel like this is where I can actually express my feelings, and I don't know what to search to find this video, and I don't know how they actually recommend this video for you or to you, let me say. But then it's just based on what is going on in my mind, and I feel like I had to like put it out there. I don't know how far this video can actually go. I don't know how where it can actually reach. I'm just doing it in the sense of maybe it can actually go far. I just feel so. This is the reason why I actually create this video. So most of the times I used to like do my things myself, and I have little friends to myself, so I don't really keep friend like that. If it's not a meaningful friend, like I'm not gonna keep you, right? So but when it's come to this YouTube and making money online stuff, right? So I feel like you need people from different region, from different people with different perspective in life, right? So this is why I actually created this inner circle where people actually come from different locations and to achieve the same goal, right? So I just feel like people from Nigeria, UK, Ghana, South Africa, Australia, United States, Canada, and anywhere in the world where YouTube is actually allowed. So I feel like we all can actually do something together. I don't know the skills you have, I don't know what you're actually working on, you don't know the skill I have, you might not know what I'm actually working on as well. But then coming together and creating something meaningful, right? I feel like we can actually achieve more. And they used to say, if you're able to achieve one thing when you work alone, you might actually achieve multiple when you work in group. If we have a collective opinion, and then we are able to work on some certain things, I just feel like we can do a lot. So recently I used to see people from India doing YouTube automation. So I feel like, wow, these people are really great. People from United States, these people are really great. These people from Nigeria, these people are really great, to be honest, right? And I feel like I can actually tap into these people. But then there are most of the times I used to drop a comment on their videos, most likely on Facebook. But then I feel like many of them just want to sell course or say something, or maybe those screenshots are not even real, or maybe those videos are not even real, right? But then you can actually find out if you have a close group or inner circle where you guys share things within each other, what you know from what you know. Okay, this niche is actually going up. You know, YouTube automation is actually wide now. Like you see people doing content around bed, content around us, content around pets, like different things, something that you can't even imagine people are gonna watch. But then it's working, people are watching it and they are making money from it. So I feel like if this is actually possible, if there are genuine people online, to be honest, there is something we can actually achieve, right? I just feel so. I can learn from you, you can learn from me, we all can learn from each other, literally. So if you think this is something you're actually interested in, I don't know, like I said, I don't know how you find this video, I don't know what you search to find this video, I don't know how they recommend this video to you. But then if what I just said resonates with you, you can just use the link in the description to join the WhatsApp group. I feel like that is where we can actually start the whole journey, and from there we'll see how it goes. So we start one after the other. So for now, as I'm creating this video, I've not created a group, but immediately I'm uploading, I'll be creating the group, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So thank you if you watched this video and you did not click on the link to join, or you're not interested. Thank you for watching either ways, right? So that's just it. Thank you.